Okay. So uh, we will start with trigonometry. So first we need to understand what is the meaning of trigonometry. See, trigo,
Okay, sir.
three, it means that it is called three. Trigono. Gono, it shows the side. Three, three, gono side, and metry, that is the meaning of measure, measurement. It is called measurement. Metry, it means that measure. So if we have a triangle, there are three sides. So three sides, the sides of the measurement of three sides. Maybe any type of triangle here, like this, like this. Uh, maybe there are so many angles you can show. So in ancient time, they were only uh, measuring the three sides. Okay, uh, not only measuring the three sides, but also they were uh, using this method to find the distance between stars and planets from Earth. Okay, they were using this method to find the distance between star and Earth, planet and Earth. Okay, they were using this method. But right now,
Okay, sir.
there are other fields are there where trigonometry is used. Okay, in science and technology, there are so many physics and remaining engineering. They were using they are using trigonometry concept. So actually, we can say that in the trigonometry, we will study the sum ratio of sides of right triangle with respect to its acute angle, called trigonometric ratio of angles. Here, ratio of angles we also study here. That are also very much important here, because through the trigonometric ratios we can find the distance, height, all that. Suppose I want to give one example here, right? Suppose I want to give an example here. Like one person is standing over here. Person is that he's standing over here at in front of you can say one tower. Suppose it is one tower here. So we assume that this tower and person are at same level. They are at same level. Now, if person is observing the top of this tower, okay, right now it is observing the this, observing the top of the tower. In that case, we also assume here that tower is standing over here vertically. So it creates 90 degree, okay, and person is observing the top of tower without without measuring or using any tool to measure the height of tower. We can only, if we can find the height of this tower, height of the tower using the trigonometry. Okay, that is a concept. That kind of concept
Yes, sir.
we can learn here. Okay, using the angle. If we know the distance, if we know the angle, if we know the length of this length of this side, okay, then we can find the length of or height of tower. So we are also using this method. Another method is like uh, uh, A girl is standing over the one uh, building like this. So we assume that a girl is standing over. Okay, and she is observing flower pot. She is observing the flower.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Hello,
Hello, sir.
hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So girl is observing the flower pot. Okay. Now here we can also find here we can also say that here that the tower or building is vertical and it has a 90 degree. 90 degree it means that it is a vertical horizontal. It is standing uh, vertically and it creates 90 degree. So in that case also, if we know the height of this tower and this about this, if we have information regarding this site, then we can also find the distance between building, okay, building and pot, okay, using the trigonometry. So you can say building pot. So here we can find the height of tower. Here we can find the distance between building and pot, flower pot.
Okay, sir.
So these are applications. These are the applications. Right. Uh, Now we are going to see some trigonometric ratios. Okay. First, we need to understand the trigonometric ratio. Then, using trigonometric ratio, you can find the height, distance. Okay. This kind of two examples I have given to you. So that is the application. These are the application of trigonometry. Okay. So let's we start with
Okay, sir.
trigonometric ratio here. So suppose we have a triangle this one.
Sir?
So in this triangle, hello, in this triangle
Yeah.
AB is called triangle. See, triangle have a symbol triangle, triangle ABC. Okay. In this triangle ABC, this is 90 angle. This is 90 angle. Here, this side is called the hypotenuse. It's called hypotenuse. Okay. This side is called hypotenuse. And if we consider angle CAB, yeah, I want to say you that if this is 90 angle, then these two angles will be acute.
Acute. Okay, sir.
You know what is acute?
Yeah.
What is acute angle?
Number angles that are below 60 degrees.
No, not below 60 degrees. Below 90 degrees.
Oh yeah, 90.
Right? Below 90-degree angles are called the acute angle. It may be 89,
Yeah.
or it may be 70 degree, or it may be 55, 40, 16 degree. Okay. So they are the acute angle. This will be 90. Okay. Another thing, the addition of these two angles will be always 90. So, okay, angle C and A, the addition of summation of these two angles will be always 90 degrees. Okay, this one 90, it will be always 90 degrees. And another thing, the angle of the summation of all three angles will be always 180 degrees. That also you need to remember. All angle ABC, if we say all three angle will be 180. So if I consider one acute angle, like angle A, angle CAB. Suppose I say for angle AB, for angle CAB, it means that this is called the hypotenuse. This side, this one side, is called side opposite to angle A. This side is called side opposite to, sorry, adjacent, not opposite, adjacent to, because for this angle, this side will be adjacent and this side will be opposite, because it is in front of A. So that is called opposite. And nearby it, sorry. So AB side is called here adjacent side. Opposite side is BC, and A, adjacent side will be AB. Right. So if I take as a reference angle CAB, it means that this angle, this one, this, if I take this angle CAB, then you can find here some trigonometric ratios which are very popular. Here trigonometric ratios are whatever we are going to discuss here, that are very much popular. So if I write here, they are like trigonometric ratio sine
Sir, I can't hear you.
ratio. Now you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Sine, cosine, tangent. I will show you what are these things: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, or you maybe some word you have heard, secant and cotangent. Okay, these are the trigonometric ratios, right? Trigonometric. Now all this trigonometric ratio we are going to learn, and how you can find that will also we will learn.
Okay, sir.
See, for first we will see sine of